13, 26, 20.
Greetings to all. This is Paul John, and this is my 10th exercise in the Unix and Linux lab. And this exercise is all about unnamed pipes. And the previous exercise I've shown you about named pipes. Unnamed pipes, as the name suggests, it doesn't have a particular name. That is, it is not dedicated to a particular file. You create it and you just run it, and you just get the file. It just executes and returns. It doesn't. You need to doesn't explicitly specify the name of the file. This is the code that I have created over here, and as you can see, I'm included the necessary header files. I'm using the namespace, and then in the main function, I've declared two arrays: an FD integer array of FD and a char array of buff. Which has size 50, and then I've used the function called pipe. That's the main difference of the named and unnamed. The unnamed function pipe uses, like, you have to use the pipe function call in order to create it, and the parameter is the file descriptor. The array of file descriptor, and then you're checking whether it is valid, like the file opens. So you're creating a new process, fork equal to 0. If it's true, in that case you're reading from the array of file descriptors with the buff size, the buffer array. You're specifying the buffer array, like to store where you store the data, and then the size of the characters you're reading. I'm specifying here as 50. You can also specify it as the buff size. Else, if fork is not equal to 0, in that case you're writing it. So you're writing the array value, the next file descriptor file you're writing into that file the buff content, and the size, the amount you're writing is 50 bytes. I have specified it over here. Now let me just run this file over here. Since I'm using C++, I'll have to use the G++ compiler and /a.ow. As you can see, pipe is created, and that's it. Thank you all. My program is working fine enough. Thank you all. This will be my last experiment in this lab. So that's it. See you guys in the next lab, I guess. Thank you.